Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply synchronize your contact to your Gmail step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone contacts. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone contacts. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on accounts. So it's going to take you right here. Select on your Google account, then you have it right here. So what you need to do is to click on Google account. Then what you need to do right here is to click on account synchronize. So you have it right here. Make sure all these buttons here are fully turned on. It's as simple as that. So you can see last synchronize. So each time, so once you turn all these buttons on, it will automatically synchronize your contacts to your Gmail account. So if your phone lost or you try to replace your phone, you will have access back to your contact without any stress. For as long as you have access to your Google account, Gmail username and password. As simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.